Okay, here's how to make adjustments on our RIDGID oscillating bench sander. So leave the power off for just a second just to look at things, but we'll turn on in a minute. You've got two knobs up here. One is this knob, has an arrow, a plus and a minus. Plus on this one, because it's the belt position adjustment, plus on this one moves it up. Turning in the minus direction moves it down. Now you can see with it off, nothing happens because all you're doing is changing the angle of this roller, which will move it up and down when it's in motion. This one over here is something else. We'll cover that in another video. That's for swapping out tools. Someone's actually really chewed that up trying to tighten it down. But the thing to notice on this is that it has nothing to do with adjustments. Adjustments will happen whenever it's turned on. And when I turn it on, you can't even grab that one when it's spinning. So because that one is spinning, you're not supposed to even remember which is which. You just have to remember, I don't want to grab something spinning. This one is static. I want to move it down, so I'm going to move it in the arrow direction that moves it down. All right, you can sort of see